I'll say this much. They don't call your friend Ratchet for nothing. There's the shuttle.
Is he in there?
Nope. Lucky for him. Otherwise, I would have slapped his corpse. No bug either. Gotta find it before it lays its filthy eggs. It came this way, but the sugar particles in the atmosphere are jamming my sensor. Can't get a read on it. So what is it with this Wreck-It Joker, huh? Why'd he go AWOL?
I wish I knew, ma'am. He was acting all squirrely last night, going on about cake and medals, but I never thought he'd go turbo.
Go turbo?
That's right. You guys just got plugged in. Well, back when the arcade first opened, Turbo Time was by far the most popular game. And Turbo...
Turbo-tastic!
He loved the attention.
Turbo-tastic!
So, when Road Blasters got plugged in and stole Turbo's thunder...
New game! All right!
Boy, was he jealous. So jealous that he abandoned his game and tried to take over the new one.
These are the greatest graphics I've ever seen. Turbo-tastic!
Hey, is that...
Turbo-tastic!
That looks like Turbo.
What's Turbo doing in this game? Turbo-tastic!
Turbo ended up putting both games and himself out of order. For good.
Yes, the selfish man is like a mangy dog chasing a cautionary tale.
I know, right? That's why I have to get Ralph home, or the same thing's gonna happen to my game. Huh?
What is this? Nesquick sand?
Quicksand? Oh, I'll hop out and grab you one of those vines. I can't hop. I'm hopless. This is hopeless. We're gonna drown here.
Stop splashing! Stop moving! You're making us sink faster! Get a hold of yourself!
The vines. They're lappy-tappy. They're attracted to whatever makes them laugh. Here, hit me again. That's not funny enough. Harder.
Look, you're a nice guy. I can't...
No, ma'am! The arcade is depending on us. Now do your duty. That's an order. It's working. Hit me again.
Ooh, your eye.
I can fix it. Now go. Oh, fantastic. Again. Ow! You mean business. Ow! Yikes! Bites! Wow! Weird! Killing them! Oh! Comedy gold!
Enough with the goo-goo eyes. We've got work to do. Let's go. We lost. Come on, we'll get a better view from the air. You think you can fix that shuttle?
Can do.